ensure that our students are graduating from high school, we really have to focus on the 9th grade. So if you successfully complete 9th grade, you basically successfully complete 25% of high school, and you're in a better position to graduate from high school. So we wanted to put a sheltered program in place to monitor the failures of our students, celebrate their successes, provide our teachers with the training and our counselors with training around how to identify problem areas that students may be having, and then put interventions in place so that students are not failing. And so I hope I did
that was excellent. And one of the things too that
and Dr. Sullivan, kudos for this. One thing I will say is that I've heard parents tell me that they didn't know, about something like this. They heard about it after maybe 10th grade year, and they're still now trying to figure out, how their child is going to make up so they can stay on track to be able to graduate. Thank God for our excellent principals finding avenues to making that happen. But I do want to say that I am excited that we have this, but we also are continuing to find ways on how we strengthen it and make sure that we have no students that are dropping out. And so,
Jordan, as the coach, builds the capacity of that team lead of the school to look at the data. We're data rich, but a lot of times we're not.
Each school has established a freshman success team, and that's the core is all the 9th grade teachers, counselors.
Which students have interest in which programs and different things, which programs are.
Students and high school students.
And academy.
So one last one. I on a couple of slides, I thought I seen fire science at Huffman was in a planning period. I mean a planning year.
At $10,000 each, which gives us the year of planning comes at a cost of actually
Yes, they do with us.
Yes. Okay.
This year, 25-26, several of our high schools are going to be going through what is referred to as a year of planning this year, and we will run
workshops empowerment.
Yes.
And we've had that partnership probably.
Every academy comes with an annual membership in the fall, and then Woodlawn will fall into that particular